Our reading question banks are a fantastic source of reading comprehensions taken from past SATs and Year 3, 4, 5 tests. But what if you want to target a specific reading skill rather than tackle an entire comprehension? If this is your purpose, you need to use our Reading by Content domain question bank. This bank sources the same material but breaks entire comprehensions into individual questions, enabling teachers to be more selective and to target key reading skills. Let's begin by exploring the simple search tool. When you start your search, I'd recommend clicking on the Contents tab first, as the texts and questions in this bank have been sourced from both Key Stage 1 and 2 reading question banks. You can keep track of the search criteria you have specified in the question window. All texts have been classified by genre, and the titles are displayed underneath each category when clicked. They have been listed alphabetically for ease of search. The content domain is possibly the most valuable filter you can apply in this bank. It sets out the relevant elements of the national curriculum and will focus on comprehension. Individual questions have been categorised by the relevant reading skill they are testing. The number of questions testing each skill is displayed in the question window. Each question has also been classified by question type. They might be selected response questions, questions that require short constructed responses, or extended constructed responses which require a more in-depth written answer. This is helpful if you want to familiarise your pupils with a particular style of question that has perhaps caused confusion or difficulty in the past. Item type distinguishes between the texts, identifiable by the pink plus symbol, and the questions, marked as a yellow circle. The Contents tab shows you where each text and question has been sourced. Switching on the question IDs in the question window will also help you with this. For example, the Giant Panda Bear is a reading text taken from the Key Stage 2 2018 National Curriculum Reading Paper as Reading Resource A. You can select specific questions from each paper, which is useful if you want to specify a particular year. To create a document, simply drag the questions you have selected into the document window. The reading text can also be included in this document or printed as a separate document if you want it separate to the questions. To find it, simply turn on the Content domain to All. You can print these documents for your pupils by exporting to PDF or Word. You can also display on the interactive whiteboard using the Testbase viewer. This is a share option when you export. You'll need to give the document a meaningful name so that it can be easily retrieved again at a later date. You can choose to add the mark scheme and any notes in any of your documents if you wish. To retrieve saved documents, simply visit the Document Library, which sits on the right-hand side of the toolbar above the question window. This feature means that you can compile comprehension questions for future use. The documents from other colleagues will also be displayed, so it's important to give each document a precise name and to record your name or year group as the author. All these documents are easily editable, so that they can be adapted for future cohorts whenever necessary. For a simple visual guide to this product, simply click on the Quick Guide on the home page. This can be downloaded and printed and gives a detailed explanation of the different features of this bank. In summary, our Reading by Content domain question bank categorises questions by content domain and question type. All the texts have been sourced from both Key Stage 1 and 2 reading question banks. This bank enables teachers to find questions and create documents that target key reading skills. Documents can be printed or presented on the interactive whiteboard and can be saved for use with future cohorts. For more information, visit testbase.co.uk.